Hi students, I am Prakash, Chartered Accountant and acting as academic advisor in Masterminds from the past 20 years. As you already know, Masterminds materials of CA Inter are extremely popular. So after every attempt, we will be receiving hundreds of requests for Masterminds materials. In this short video, I will let you know how to purchase those Masterminds materials of CA Inter for November 2023 attempt. First of all, let me tell you a few points about why Masterminds materials have become so popular. So in all our materials, we cover ICA sources to the extent of 100%. That means study material of CA Inter as well as IPCC. So RTPs, MTPs and question papers of CA Inter as well as IPCC, all of them are covered in our material to the extent of 100%. So once you prepare our material, it's not at all required to refer any other ICA sources. It's like a one-stop solution. So after every attempt, that means for every 6 months, we will compare our materials with that of latest exam question papers. If at all we feel that, so it's better to add some more problems or models in our material, then we will immediately come up with a supplementary material. So that means for every attempt, we will release a new, unique supplementary material exactly meeting the requirements of that particular attempt. In other words, we will update our materials for every 6 months. So our materials are designed to give you excellent conceptual clarity along with superb marks. For example, in Masterminds material related to theory subjects as well as problematic subjects, you can find n number of concept questions which will help you to enhance the conceptual clarity. Our materials are built on the principles of improving self-learning capabilities. We provide a large number of self-practice questions along with solutions. We encourage all our students to first answer them on their own and then check with the solutions provided by us. This skill is very much required to crack exams like CA Inter, because none of the problem or question being given in the exam will be copy pasted. So here are the details of the materials that we will provide you if you purchase materials from our app. So first of all, we will provide you main materials covering 100% content from all ICA sources. Of course, we will not dump the content from ICA sources. We will be eliminating the duplications and we will be making lot of enhancements to the problems given in the ICA sources. So detailed solutions or answers will be provided to classroom discussion problems or questions also. You need not worry that we will provide material alone. So as I already told you, so for every chapter we will be providing some self-practice questions or assignment problems also. So if you purchase our material set, then we will be providing those questions as well as solutions also. So we will also provide you fast track materials for the subjects of income tax and GST as well as economics for finance. We will also provide you MCQs question banks in the subjects of company law, other laws, income tax, GST, auditing, EIS as well as SM. Of course, so ICAI has already released case scenario MCQs. All those MCQs are also included in these MCQs question banks. That means if you refer these MCQs question bank, it's not required to refer any other MCQs. In each of the subjects, you can identify at least 1000 to 1200 MCQs. So even before purchasing our materials in the app, you can read the list of materials document in the app itself, in which I have provided you complete information on what are all the materials that we are going to provide if you purchase the full set of materials. Now let us see what is the exact procedure to purchase. If you are using Android mobile phone or a tab, then follow these simple steps. First of all, install our app Masterminds online classes from Google Play Store. So after that, click store section in the bottom corner. So search for the keywords CA Inter materials. Purchase the materials of the group that you want, either group 1 or group 2 or both as per your wish. Enter the postal address. Within 48 hours, our team will courier the materials. And our team will also inform you the courier service provider name as well as tracking ID so that you can even follow up the same. If you are using Apple iPhone or iPad, then Please follow these instructions. First of all, install the app called Class Plus from Apple App Store. Enter the organization code as MZGun. After that, whatever the procedure you need to follow for Android, the same procedure will apply for iPhone or iPad also. Now let me answer some of the frequently asked questions. So the moment you place an order within 48 hours, our team will be sending the materials through courier. It will reach you depending on the distance. I think the minimum time will be 3 days and the maximum days will be 7 days. It all depends on the distance. Whatever the group you want, you can purchase either group 1 or group 2 or both. It's up to you. Right now it is not possible to purchase the material subject wise or paper wise, but very soon we are trying to accommodate that also. Even before purchasing Masterminds material, you can check our sample material in the app itself. So in each subject we have picked up one chapter, and in each chapter we have picked up few important pages. So just by looking at those pages, you can understand the quality of the material that we are providing for that particular subject. So once you are 100% satisfied with the quality of the material that we are providing, then you can purchase the materials. Even non-Mastermind students from other states can also purchase these materials. Of course, if you belong to other state, so courier time may get delayed. Students who are already appearing for Masterminds test series can also purchase these materials. So students who are attending study hours and revision exams or crash batches in Masterminds physically, you will have a different procedure. Our staff will directly approach you, take the order and will provide the materials to you, and generally for all such students we will be providing the materials at a concessional fee. That's why I'm not encouraging them to purchase through our app. Right now it is not possible to read the materials on screen after purchase. So because within 48 hours we are sending the courier. So right now there is no facility to purchase our materials through a website, but very soon we are going to address that issue also. If you are watching this video in YouTube or Facebook, please check the description below, because I have already provided you direct links to purchase our materials separately for group 1 and group 2. If you are watching this video in Instagram, then please check the bio where we have provided the links. So please don't forget that this is the last attempt under the old scheme. Take your exams very seriously and put extra efforts so that you are able to qualify in this attempt itself. All the best, my dear students.